I've got 2 different books out right now. I'm working on a couple other ones, like I said. Those are coming out really soon. It's gonna be about how to get into cybersecurity, how to get into cybersecurity. I don't I'm pretty sure I'm gonna sell on Amazon. Probably have 2 different versions of it. But there's 2 different books right now. If you go to Amazon.com, just type in ISO 20 RMF ISSO and you'll find the book, and it has an audio version. This one is only about an hour and a half on audiobook. It's only 80 pages long. I go straight to the point of what you are going to do and what you need to know as an ISO. Now, keep in mind, this has a lot of, this is very deep material, but I just wanted to boil it down to exactly what you need to know. And that was the purpose of it. This one here is about 200 pages, and this goes into each one of the control families. But again, I'm going straight to the point. If you were to put on paper every single control, there's over 1,000 controls. It'd be as thick as a phone book, and you'd have to write the letters really tiny. So there's a lot of information here. And what I'm doing is focusing on what you need to do if you're going into this field. This is a very niche market. Not everybody needs this, by the way. The other book I'm reading, it will be a little bit more for more people.